Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today, it's actually tonight right now, but today we are going to be doing a budget shop light upgrade. So right now, I don't have the best lighting. Sometimes you gotta out yourself. I have two 8-foot, two 8-foot regular incandescent bulbs there, and then a single LED strip here, but it's supposed to be for two 4-foot bulbs, and there's only one of them in there. This whole fixture, like, KIA'd it himself. It even melted the outlet right there. And then this one, I think the fixture still works, but for some reason the bulbs won't work. But these are old school. I spent some money on eBay, got myself some 4-foot fixtures, and they're all LED, so two 4-foot strips per fixture. And I'm gonna hang them one right here, the same way, and then same there, and then same there. I'm also gonna replace both of these outlets. They're pretty old, I don't know. I have two new ones here anyways, so might as well. What else? So yeah, we're gonna get started on that tomorrow. I just wanted to get in here tonight so we didn't have any daylight coming in, so you totally could just see what the lighting was like in here. I'll stand at the very back of the garage here and put it up. And yeah, you can tell it's just... So, we're gonna rip these 4 lights out tomorrow. We'll start with that, then we'll replace the outlets, and then we will get the new fixtures up and get a before and after picture of what it's like. I'm really looking forward to this. I've dealt with this bad lighting for at least 2 or 3 years by now, and it's just, I'm not happy with it. And I don't know why it's taken me this long to pull the trigger on some eBay LED shop lights, but we're doing it now. So I will see you guys tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna try for the very first time snap transition. So here we go. It's gonna be daylight in 3, 2, 1. All right, and just like that, it is daytime, and I've got all the tools I need. This little step stool, staple to tie up the wiring. This, our Sunco industrial shop lights. I don't know if anybody's curious, but they're 4,000 lumens, 40 watts. They're just a nice bright white. We're gonna go ahead and flip the breaker. So we'll do that. Got to be safe. These are powered off 2 outlets, so with flipping the breaker, they don't have any power anymore, and we are good to go. So I will set up the camera, and we will get started right away and taking off all of this stuff. I got the light unboxed and I'm going to show you guys now. So these are, again, the Sunco lighting. Let it focus. Sunco lighting industrial shop lights. They're LED, 4,000 lumens, 40 watts. I'm hoping 4 of these will be enough, considering that there's 2 bulbs per light. But yeah, it's a very simple design. There's a pull string here if you'd like to use that. Since I have outlets, I won't use that, it'll just always stay on. They are connectable at the very end here. So you can literally just plug it into each other. I can actually show you how that works. So it literally just, obviously not the same light, but they just, so if this was from a different light, you'd plug them in and it would just work like normal. But yeah, these were $80 on eBay for 4 of them, which is 8 bulbs total, basically. And I'm hoping it'll be enough, like I said, but if not, you can buy them in packs of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So however many more I need after we get all 4 of these up, I'll get, and make sure we've got great lighting in here for the shop so that I can make quality videos. This is actually the second bulb I've unboxed. I've already gotten one mounted and it does work. So my outlet wiring apparently worked as well, so that's good. But yeah, so I'll probably just knock this out quick instead of doing a time lapse. I'll just get it hooked up over there and I'll be back to you guys in a sec. All right guys, we got that one mounted, that one mounted. So the front 2 aren't in yet, but I have the breaker on after I finished installing, of course. Safety first, and right off the switch, boom. Now, it kind of looks deceiving with the garage door open, but I'm not sure if just having 4 of these will be enough. As I got 2 up, I closed the garage door and looked at how it was like, and we'll see when the front 2 are done, but I'm not sure if it'll be enough or if I'll need 2 more. So yeah, but today is round 5 of the Formula Drift Pro 2020 season, and I want to watch. And top 16 starts at 2:30 my time, and it is currently, let's see here, it's currently 2:03. So Haley and I are gonna go grab a bite to eat. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat and then go over to my friend Carson's house. I'm gonna hang a TV with him today and we're gonna watch Formula Drift. So I will pick back up with you guys after Formula Drift. All right guys, so I finished watching Formula Drift Texas. Ryan Turk took the win, if you were curious, if you didn't watch. So he took the win. Chris Forsberg was second, and then Vaughn Gittin Jr. was third. It's pretty cool, honestly, in my opinion, because that's like the Drift Alliance, as they call themselves. It's like their personal team right when they started drifting, and I think that's awesome that they finally got it. They've been trying to all podium together since 2004 when Formula Drift started, so it's the first time in history they've ever done it. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, I cut you guys some slack. I didn't film installing the other 2 lights because it's just kind of boring after the first 2. So I got them done, and here we go. We got the heater on in 3, 2, 1. Totally different. For $80, I am so happy. Got a light all the way over here. Here's a hint to a new video, or a upcoming video. So those were the wheels that are on my car. So I'm excited to show you guys the new wheels that I got for my car, along with BC Racing coils. We finally got our coilovers, boys and girls. Super stoked about that. And then, so that'll be a video on its own. I'll also be talking about the Bell Raceworks 350Z grip kit. It's basically like a bolt-on bracket that allows you to have a dynamic toe where you can change how much your rear tires toe in on compression just by moving bolt up or down. It's very, very cool. It'll help me out. It'll help me adapt to driving like RPM, the road course that you guys have seen before. And then when I finally go up to KC Drift next year, it will help me dial in the car to have a little bit more grip there, since it's a little bit lower speed. And then at RPM, you can dial it back so you're not as grippy. Because with DE or HR, basically 350Zs on stock engines, with big road courses like that, you kind of want to dial back your grip just a smidge for fun. If you're competing, that's different. But and for KC Drifts, since it's slower and you want to have good tandem, you can dial in grip. So I'm super stoked about that, and I'm looking forward to doing a video on that with you guys. But this will be a separate video. It's one of the most dreaded things about cars. Changing transmission fluid, or gear oil, and subframe bushings are the two things I hate doing the most on cars. This shit just stinks, and that's why I don't like it. But subframe bushings, if you've ever done them, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you the finished product. It's insane. It was easily well worth the money. I mean, totally worth the money. I'm kind of upset with myself that I didn't do this sooner, but I'm super stoked nonetheless. And I might be adding 2 more. So yeah, I got distracted quick. Anyways, yeah, I can't remember exactly what I was saying, but I'm ecstatic about how this turned out. I plan on doing all plywood for the whole ceiling to go to cover up all this plastic. And then we will be getting rid of this propane heater and putting in a 220 volt electric heater in there that's a quarter of the size. So I'm planning on doing that. So these lights, with these two being widthwise with the garage and these two being lengthwise, that will change. I also think I might add 2 more. I think they're only 20 or I think they're $30 or $40 for 2 of them, for a pack of 2. So I think I might add those. Just add 3, 3, and 3, and 3, 3, and 3 on this side. But I'm stoked. I hope you guys like it. I'm sorry if it was a short video. It was just a quick install though. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the lights. If I should add more, if you think it's enough. How many you would have in your shop. Just whatever you want. Drop it down in the comments. And like this video, please, because it helps show this video to other people that watch similar videos like you, and it helps promote my channel a little bit, and I'd really appreciate it. Dislike if you didn't like it. I hope you did though. And peace out. I'll see you in the next one.